Hello, you guys. I've recorded this video several times, so bear with me. I never thought I will go online and ask for any favors. I've always been a man that always tried to do his best and come across the other end still smiling, not mattering what it is that what I was going through. But a lot of you may know my situation. I'm in the hospital now, um, following my second amputation. Something I never thought in my life that I would go through. With that, I've been out of work since August that I stopped doing live shows on this platform, TikTok. So it's been very difficult. Um, and so I had an amputation of my feet that didn't turn out well, and there was a lot of complications in between. And so here I am. I'm now going on my third week in the hospital, um, battling an infection that won't go away. It hasn't been easy. But I have faith that this too shall pass. I want to thank all of you guys who has been praying for me, keeping you guys, keeping me in your guys' thoughts and prayers. I love you guys so much. And so with that, I thought about creating this video and just hoping that I could get stabilized again. Order new materials, get the store up and running. I still have my website, gemsandwonders.com. You guys are more than welcome to purchase anything through there. That website is ran. It has been a blessing to me, for me as well. And I have so many beautiful goals, plans to do that I would like to do by the end of this year as I start going to physical therapy again. Um, in 2025 is going to be an amazing year. So I'm creating this video if you guys feel led to help a brother out. And so the money that will come from you guys would really help me get stabilized again. Um, get back on track with my bills. And then whatever's left over, I'm hoping that I could buy uh, enough materials again, you know, that I could feel that there's hope. I could start with Gems of Wonders again, live on TikTok, selling crystals and materials. Thank you guys so much. It will be a blessing. It will be a blessing. Even if it's just $1. It will be a blessing. I will greatly appreciate it. From the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys for thinking of me. I love you guys. And I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you again.